This is Jane. She's a millennial. She drinks Starbucks, not cheap coffee. She says for expensive Japanese makeup brand, not the local one. She dreams to own a Mini Cooper, not a Cherry QQ. Jane is part of a small plan of the great consumption upgrade that is by Jack Ma talks so much about. Jane is very selective in what she buys. However, Jane is not so selective yet in her oral hygiene. The average Chinese millennial can go 2.3 days without brushing. Flossings, checkups, forget about it. 90% of the Chinese millennial have dental issues. When asked 3,000 people why, the replies were, I'm not concerned, I'm not aware of the risk. I forget, it's simply just lazy. They show an amazing lack in oral care awareness. Big brands were supposed to educate the consumers, but not anymore. Right now, not anymore. Who follows Colgate, RV, or even Bayer on social media, watch the videos, or talk to the friends about it? Big brands have failed to engage with the new generation. We at Hippo&Crate, to encourage millennials to brush more, we created a brand that's young, inspiring, but more than anything, we are a community. It starts with our products. Brushing is an aesthetic joy. Our ingredients are carefully chosen and natural. Our app gamifies the brushing process. Users receive points based on how they're brushing. And our community receives music 2 minutes to ensure they complete the 2 minutes brushing routine and combine fun with style. Our community is inspired constantly by KOLs, photographers, artists, and models from around the world. We send handwritten messages to them. We organize cool and fun viral events for our community. And to encourage them to come back, we send a monthly magazine with reminders to replace the toothbrushes and toothpaste with a QR code to scan and to buy. We get an engagement rate of over 80%. Ultimately, the key element to this community-focused model, fun content through many touch points. Let's meet Hippo&Crate. First off, consumers see our products and the products are being used by influencers and our own community members. In order to join this community, you have to purchase a subscription kit or introduction kit. Once you're in the community, you continually engage with each member. This is the Hippo. So this is just so cool. So enjoy yourself, sit back, share the fun, share the love, and get more people involved. Hippo&Crate is a brand for the new generation. We aspire to radically improve the oral health of over 400 million millennials in China, and that is a 20 billion RMB market. Oral care is growing fast. Sales in mouthwash have surged 70%, making it the top 10 most purchased consumer product in 2017, even beating the sales of skincare. You challenge the big brands are detached from the needs of the millennials. And we absolutely champion customer engagement and direct online sales. And this is the team behind Hippo&Crate. My name is JJ. I'm a two-time entrepreneur who made my first 100,000 adjusted tea out of Canada. He used to lead and run multi-million-dollar operations. I've Sam, who helped to design the identity of tens of UK leading brands from scratch. And then John, finally, the recipient of 5-time Design Oscar Award for its product creation. Hippo&Crate is driving results. Xiaoting is the recurring customer. She started 6 months ago. She used to brush less than once a day, and now she's doing it twice. The entire Hippo&Crate family brushes 1.5 times a day, which is 3 times the average of the Chinese millennial. And 95% believes the Hippo&Crate community they actually brush more often than before. The media is catching on from China Daily to 网易新闻 to iQIYI to 凤凰网. Since launching last year, over 12,000 subscribers have bought our products. And last year, and last month actually, we launched a subscription sales in WeChat, and we've already acquired 600 recurring subscribers.